so much fun. Hold me close and love me through the night. Right? And when you're grooving, you want to groove in the shoulders. Just like this, just a little bit. See? Like that. Not too much, but just enough. Right? Play the right notes too. That's it. I like this. Like my new durag, would you lie to me? Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alejandro. Good to see you. Thanks so much for stopping by. I've got a great video for you today. We're going to be learning how to play Thundercat's Dragonball Durag. And the great thing about this video too is that once you get it under your fingers, I've got a practice track in the description that you can play along to, just like I did in the introduction. So if you're brand new to this channel, I welcome you. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for your commitment. And I'm just so excited about Piano Perfect's future. We're really building right now. It's in a really healthy place. So thank you as always for your support. And I'm going to try to give you the best tutorials that I know how to. Big shout out to Owen H for recommending this tune. I love you, man. Thank you. And if there's a song request that you have, go ahead and put it in the comments and I'll be happy to do it. If you want the sheet music and the audio files, you can check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, stick around. I'm going to teach you how to play this. So everybody, all right, here we go. This is the walkthrough, and I'm just going to take you through all the different moves. It starts with this one. It goes. Okay, those are your first two chords. Okay, and so on the first one, you're flicking that middle finger from E to F sharp. Right? Good. And I like to pedal after I play the high A. Right? That way you can release your hands for this brand new grip. Okay? And so you can use the fingerings that I'm using, right? But if you have another one that's more comfortable, you have the pedal, right? Right? And then you can use whatever finger you want. Okay? Because on the next chord, on this one, it's just a release. It's just a brand new hand position. Okay, so like that, do it slow. Okay, so when you put it all together, like that, okay? And so the next part goes, as a brand new hand position again. Okay, so middle finger on E, and everything kind of just falls into place. Middle finger on E. Okay, and here's the last one. You're pretty much in position. Okay, and the left hand is the one that makes the change. Okay, because left hand is going A and G to B and A, like that. Okay, so from the beginning. Okay, and if that's all you get, that's a success. That's all you get is success. Hold me close and love me through the night endlessly. Okay, that's the last move of the first half. Okay, like that. All right, and again, I'm starting on my white key and the thumb, and then move the hand inward to hit that black note. Okay, so the whole first half one more time. Change the hands. Okay, and that's the whole first half. The second half starts basically the same. It's the same in the right hand, but now the left hand starts on G and F sharp. Okay, and so you're ending up on the same second chord, but you're just starting on that G and the F sharp in the left hand first. And this is a tricky one. I want to pay some attention to this one. Starting here in this position, you're going, and it's important to pivot to your thumb there, and you'll see why in a second. Because this is your next move, okay? And you want to make sure that you have the thumb there, 2, 4, and 5, right? And this is just a good grip to have. And on this one. slow. Okay. Like my durag, would you lie to me? Okay. So you start with 2 and 3 on E and F sharp. That kind of helps you in your grip. Flicking in this song, right? So here's the whole second half. 2, 3, just like that. Okay, so let's do the whole thing, but I'm gonna put on the practice track because it's super fun and I can show you what you can work towards. Okay, so here's a practice track. So much fun. Hold me close and love me through the night. Right? And when you're grooving, you want to groove in the shoulders. Just like this, just a little bit. See? Like that? Not too much, but just enough. Right? Play the right notes too. That's it. I like this.